Sorry guys, so sorry. I ran out of time in my last video. I was trying to rush things in there at the end, but it cut me off. So, when you are all done, I would like you to read some information for me on the three different empires, Ghana, Mali, and Sangay. We are going to be going over each one of those empires this week and next week, and we are going to be taking notes on them, and then we're going to eventually take a quiz on them. But in the meantime, what I would like you to do for me is I would like you to please go to your Google Classroom, and to get there again, you're going to go on Canvas, click any subject, click the Bitmoji Classroom. It's going to take you to my Google Classroom. Once you are in my Google Classroom, I would like you to click right here, West Africa Information. Once there, I would like you to click this link. When you click on it, you're going to click Login with Google, and you're going to need this code. So you're going to click in. It's going to take you to a website. You're going to hit Login. You're going to hit Login with Google. Make sure you have your school Google information in there. And then you may need that class code, which again can be found right here. When you are on there, it's going to give, oops, wrong tab. It's going to give you three different articles that I would like you to look at. So it should say Classroom. You'll go to your Classroom, and let's see here. It should look like this for you. This is what it should look like. I would like you to look at, you do not have to take any quizzes, you do not have to read all of it. I just want you to take a look at each one of these articles right here. Okay, Ancient Africa, Ghana, Land of Gold, Mali, and Sangay. Just look at it, look at some of the pictures, there's some cool information in there. Just read some of the cool tidbits, and we'll be going over all of this tomorrow when I see you guys in class. So that's it. Good luck, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recorded video of our social studies lesson. Take care, guys. Thanks.